Good morning, children. Now, what are we going to do in today's classes? As we all know that from the next week, we are going to start with our assessment. So, in this class, we will be revising the concept which we have learned in the previous session. जो भी हमने इसके पहले वाले classes में पढ़ा था, वो हम अभी फिर से revise करेंगे, okay? So, Didi is going to ask you few questions and you have to answer them. और आंसर देने के साथ साथ वी विल बी रिवाइजिंग द कंसेप्ट. हम कंसेप्ट को फिर से अच्छे से पढ़ेंगे. क्लियर? नाउ I request you all to be ready with your notebook and pencil. Okay, you will get 10 seconds. Bring your note. If you are not ready with your notebook, bring your notebook and pencil, colors, whatever you have, bring it quickly. आप जिस पे इंग्लिश का वर्क लिखते हो वो आपको रेडी करना है. ठीक है? So your time starts now. 10 seconds in your hand. If you're ready with your notebook, just use chat box to write ready. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Yes, I can see that students are typing ready. Very nice. I can see that you are ready. Great. Okay. Now let us see our objective. What are we going to revise in this session today? So in this session, you will be identifying verbs. Students will be able to identify verbs from the sentence. Clear? So what are the verbs, the action words? So you will identify it. आपको पहचानना. Second, you will make sentences from the sight words. So हमने sight words पढ़े थे, right? So Didi will be giving you few sight words और आपको वो sight words देखकर उसमें से sentence बनाने. You have to make sentences from those sight words. Third, you have to make plural form for the word. तो जो भी word दिया है दीदी ने उससे आपको plural form बनाना है. ठीक है, वो singular होगा, आपको plural करना है. Then you will be able to identify character and settings from the text. जो भी कैरेक्टर है या सेटिंग्स है आपको एक टेक्स्ट दिया जाएगा. तो वो टेक्स्ट से आपको पहचानना है कि वो कैरेक्टर है या वो सेटिंग है. ठीक है, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. Here we go. This is our first question. What you have to do? Few sentences are given and you have to identify verb, the action words from the following sentence. ठीक है, from the following sentence. Sorry. Yes. So can you see the screen? So here we go. So I will tag you and meanwhile you have to answer and rest all will write in the notebook. Once you are done writing in the notebook, you will use chat box also. So first I tag Shreya. Shreya beta, can you unmute yourself?
Yes, Didi.
Great. Shreya, can you read the first sentence?
The dog
Bark. The dog bark. Yes, Shreya. आप म्यूट मोड पे हो. हाँ, read it again. Read it again.
The
Yes.
dog bark loudly.
The dog bark loudly. Great. So can you tell us and your friends what is verb or the action word here? ये sentence में आपको verb या action word कौन सा दिख रहा है श्रेया? Can you tell us? Yes, Shreya, you can unmute yourself.
Loudly action word.
ना, loudly नहीं. क्या होगा? Action कौन सा होगा इसमें? कौन सा action है इसमें?
Bark.
Bark. Yes.
Bark.
Yes. Right. Bark. So children, listen. So as we have studied in the previous term also, what are action words? वो नाम से ही हमें पता चल रहा है जब noun कोई action करता है, ठीक है, तो उसे हम action verb कहते हैं, words कहते हैं, और उसे verb भी कहा जाता है. Okay, so there is some action going on, barking, moving, running, then looking, reading. तो ये सारे जो action है, जो noun करते हैं, उसे action words या verb कहते हैं. Clear? Yes, Shreya, you are very right. So the first answer is park. Great. Now next I tag, quickly we'll go on with the next question. Next I tag Apurva. Apurva, you can unmute yourself, beta. Can you read the second sentence for us?
I dance when I am happy.
That's great. Very nice. Can you just tell us which is the action word over here?
Dance.
That's great. Very nice. Why dance? आपको ये डांस देखकर क्या समझ में आ रहा है? नाउन क्या कर रहा है?
Action कर रहा है.
हाँ, और वो एक्शन कौन सी है? कौन सी एक्शन है वो?
Dancing.
Dancing. That's great, Apurva. Thank you, Apurva. Very nice. Yes, students. Dance. Now next I tag Arushi. Arushi, unmute yourself, beta. You can unmute yourself. Arushi. Arushi. Unmute कीजिए बेटा आपको. हाँ, Arushi, you are on unmute. Great, great. Arushi,
Yes,
can you
Didi.
read the third sentence for us, beta. Yes, Arushi. The baby.
Yes, yes.
Read.
The baby is
Hmm.
scary.
Crying. Crying. Yes. Thank you, Arushi.
Crying.
Arushi, can you tell us that which is the action word from this sentence? इसमें से verb कौन सा है? Action word कौन सा है? Yes, आरुषि. कोई एक्शन दिख रही है आपको इसमें? कुछ तो एक्शन हो रही है, तो वो कौन सी एक्शन है बेटा? Yes, आरुषि. Others you can use chat box. I can see Vinay, Rakshit.
Didi, baby.
Yes, बेटा.
Didi, baby. Baby.
बेबी तो नाउन है ना बेटा, बेबी नाउन है. बेबी कुछ एक्शन कर रहा है, वो कौन सी एक्शन है बेटा? Yes,
Crying.
crying. Very good. Thank you, Arushi. Yes, I can see Faisal and yes. Thank you. Thank you, Arushi. You can be on mute mode. Yes. So the answer is crying. Now you can write down quickly. Yes. So what, meanwhile, I'll explain what are action words again. So action words are what the action, जो कोई movement होता है, जो noun करता है, तो उस movement को, उस action को हम verb कहते हैं. ठीक है? So from the sentence, if you see that a noun is doing some action, so that are action words. उसे हम verb भी कहते हैं. Clear? Is it clear? If it is clear, you can show thumbs up and we can move ahead. Yes, I can see that still students are writing. Okay. Laiba, are you done?
Yes, Didi.
Great. Laiba, can you give us few examples of verbs आप कोई और वर्ब्स बता सकते हो कौन से हैं? कोई और एक्शंस आपको पता है? एक्शन वर्ड्स, गिव अस few examples बेटा. लाइबा,
I am so happy.
great, you are happy. So what are the actions beta? Give us examples of actions.
Play.
Play, okay, that's great. Or
Happy.
okay, nice. Anything else? Okay, thank you Laiba. Yes, now we'll move on to the next concept. So ये हुआ हमारा first concept, action words. So can I move on to the next slide children if you are done writing? Okay, I can see Rakshit is typing reading, sleeping, bathing. Neha has typed. Tanishka has also used chat box. Palak, Payal, Neha, Faisal, Vinay, Rakshit. That's great. Very nice. Happy to see Sunakshi also. Happy to see you using chat box. That's great. So now we'll move ahead. Yes, Meera, you want to say something? You can unmute yourself. Yes, Meera. Okay, no problem. I'll again move on to the first slide. Don't worry. अगर आपका कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है ना, हम फिर से आ जाएंगे. ठीक है, डोंट वरी, यू कैन लीव दैट पेज, हम फिर से आ जाएंगे उस पे. देन नेक्स्ट, let us move on to the next thing. Yes, so the next thing is you have to make plural form of the following words. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे कुछ words है, there are few words given and you have to make plural form. Okay, so again I'll tag you one by one and you have to say. So first I tag Pratik. Pratik, can you unmute yourself, beta? Just a minute, Pratik. Yes. Unmute yourself.
Aywa.
Karthik. Pratik will unmute. Karthik, I'll give you chance to answer, not to worry. First, Pratik will answer and then Karthik, okay? Pratik, can you read the first word? First word क्या है बेटा?
Ma'am, cell.
नहीं, make the plural form में first word क्या है? What is the first word? Read for us. Yes. Can you read the first word for us, Pratik?
Ma'am,
हाँ.
CLAY. Cell.
Clay. क्या होता है वो?
Clay.
Okay. Can you tell us like what is the plural form of this word clay?
Place.
Plays. Okay. Now again I'll change the word. I'll give you play. Now tell me play का क्या होगा?
Place.
Plays. And if it is day, so what it will be?
Days.
Days. So student write day, it's days. Now why you are writing S over here? आपने S क्यों लिखा? Day का आपने days क्यों किया बेटा? Can you tell us? Okay.
Ma'am, क्योंकि ज़्यादा है.
क्योंकि क्या है बेटा? What is the answer?
Ma'am.
हाँ?
Days. Days.
Days, right. So why it is days? Why not IES? आपने S क्यों लगाया?
क्योंकि मैम
हम्म,
पहले में 1 डे है और दूसरे वाले में बहुत सारे डेज है।
यस यू आर राइट, पहले 1 है एंड दूसरे इसमें बहुत सारे है, इट इज प्लूरल। बट आपने एस क्यों लगाया, IES क्यों नहीं लगाया प्रतीक? योर आंसर इज करेक्ट, यू आर करेक्ट प्रतीक, बट आपने एस क्यों लगाया?
क्योंकि बहुत सारे इसके लिए एस लगाया।
ओके ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम, विल आस्क Daksh. Daksh, can you give the correct answer to Pratik? Pratik, listen what Daksh is saying. Daksh.
Yes.
Okay, Daksh, can you unmute yourself, beta? Daksh, can you unmute yourself? Daksh, now try to unmute yourself, Daksh. वो mute button है ना, उस पे click करना. Can you unmute yourself now? Yes. That's great, Daksh. Daksh, can you tell us why it is S and why not IES? हमने डे में डेज क्यों लगाया, एस क्यों लगाया और IES क्यों नहीं लगाया दक्ष? Yes, can you answer? Okay, no problem. दक्ष, you are on mute mode बेटा, आप अभी तक म्यूट मोड में ही हो. Try to unmute. Now can you unmute? Pratik, mute yourself. Yes, Daksh, now can you just try out once? आप अभी unmute कर सकते हो क्या? Yes. Now tell us, Daksh, you are on unmute mode. Why it is S and not IES?
एस कशाला टाकला डेज मध्ये मेक सिंगुलर डेज कशाला टाकला डेज कशाला टाकला
Okay, no problem. Meera, can you answer
व्हाट
why it is S and not IES? हमने डे को प्लूरल फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट किया, ठीक है? We have made it as days. But can you tell us like why it is S and why not IES? हमने लास्ट में IES क्यों नहीं लगाया?
बिकॉज दीदी A and Y A is a vowel and Y is a consonant.
So A
So,
is a vowel.
And
Right, right, Meera. Very nice. Very good. Thank you, Meera. Yes. So here, as you see, A is a vowel. So जब Y vowel के साथ होता है, when Y is with vowel, so we add S to make it plural form. ठीक है? Okay. Well tried, Daksh. Thank you. Now next I tag Prachi. Prachi, can you unmute yourself? Rest all be on mute mode. Prachi. I can see that you are using chat box. That's great. Yes. Prachi, can you just tell us what is the next word? Yes, Prachi, can you read the next word for us?
yes, ma'am.
Can you read the next word for us? Okay, no problem. Sunakshi, can you read for us? Sunakshi, can you read the second word for us?
Second word.
हाँ, क्या है second word?
जार.
jar,
Didi,
very
jar.
good, very good. और ये jar, if I want to convert this jar into plural form, what I will add, क्या करूंगी मैं? Can you tell us the spelling? You are on mute mode, beta. Dear Sunakshi, beta, you are on mute mode. Unmute yourself and say it again. हाँ,
Jar. Jar.
हाँ, JAR, jar. तो plural form कैसे हुआ बेटा? How to make it plural? What I will add?
दीदी, ये लिखने का है क्या?
Yes, you have to write.
Yes, दीदी.
What I will add? Tell me. What I will add?
वो अकेले.
हाँ, jar का क्या होगा plural form?
Yes.
S, right? Yes, it is S. Very good. So jars will become jars. Now be on mute mode, everyone. That's great. So next word is
Shreya.
I'll tag Rakshit. Rakshit, can you read the third word for us? You can unmute yourself, beta. Rakshit, can you read the next word for us?
दीदी, life.
Life. Very good. And if I want to make this life into plural form, what I will do?
VES.
VES. Okay, can you tell me the spelling?
LIVES.
LIVES. Thank you. Thank you, Rakshit. Okay. So next I tag the last word. Samyak. Samyak, can you read the next word for us, beta?
Yes, दीदी.
Samyak, can you read the
Yes,
next word?
दीदी.
Can you read the next word? आप next word पढ़ोगे?
Yes.
So read it, beta. What is the next word?
TEDDY.
क्या होता है वो?
TEDDYS.
नहीं, ये word पढ़िए. TEDDY क्या होता है? What is TEDDY? Yes.
दीदी, टेडी.
Teddy. Very good. Teddy. Only Samyak will answer. Others will be on mute mode now.
दीदी, टेड. अगर उसके आगे.
Okay, Teddy. That's great. Teddy है. Now Samyak, tell me, मुझे ये Teddy को plural form में बदलना है. So what I will do, Samyak? Only Samyak. Yes, Samyak, can you tell us? Samyak?
TEDDY.
Okay.
S.
Yes.
S लगाना चाहिए. S.
Only S.
TEDDY. टीचर क्लास कब खत्म होगा?
होगा बेटा. Yes. So it is TEDDIES. Very good. It makes Teddy. Wait. Teddy will become Teddies. Yes. Now are you done with this part? आपने लिख लिया?
दीदी नो
Yes, write it quickly.
दीदी done. I am right.
That's
Done
good.
दीदी.
Once you are done, you will use, yes, once you are done, you will use chat
दीदी
box.
मेरा नहीं हुआ.
I am waiting,
दीदी
beta. Once you are done, you will use only chat box to tell me. Done करके. You will not unmute yourself. Okay, thank you. Yet another 2 minutes for you to complete. Then we will move on to the next part. Okay, you will get only 2 minutes. Complete it fast. Okay, I can see Samyak, Shruti, Daksh. They are Anu's done. Shreya done. Rakshit done. File done. Okay, so most of you are done with their writing part. So I'll move on to the next part. Yes. So the next part is make sentences using the following sight words. So here are few sight words and you will get 5 minutes children from now. आपको ये वर्ड से ना सेंटेंस बनाने, तो आपको ऐसा सेंटेंस बनाना है जिसमें ये वर्ड्स आने चाहिए. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल इफ इट इज स्टिक, तो आपको ऐसे सेंटेंस बनाने. यू हैव टू मेक सच अ सेंटेंस जिसमें स्टिक आए. सेकंड इज लेफ्ट हैंड, लाइक दिस. ओके, एंड वंस यू आर डन वी विल टेक योर आंसर्स आल्सो. बट अभी के लिए नो वन विल टॉक, नो वन विल टेल द आंसर. You will just make sentences. So your time starts now. Start writing. Start writing. The first word is stick. The second word is left. And the third word is hand. So start making sentences now. Think. Vinay, come on. Make sentence. Vinay, Yash, Arushi. Start making sentence. हाँ, लिखना है आपको. सेंटेंस बनाना है बेटा. So I can see Sunakshi, Laiba, Niyati are writing. Apurva is also writing. That's great.
सेंटेंस मतलब क्या होता है?
सेंटेंस मतलब वाक्य. ठीक है, एक लाइन जिसमें बहुत वर्ड्स होते हैं, वैसे सेंटेंस बनाना है. तो ऐसे सेंटेंस, ऐसे वाक्य बनाना है जिसमें ये वर्ड यूज हो. स्टिक. ठीक है, जैसे अगर वर्ड है सॉफ्ट, ठीक है, सॉफ्ट भी एक साइट वर्ड. सो माई ब्लैंकेट इज सॉफ्ट, या फिर माई बेडशीट इज सॉफ्ट, माई पेट इज सॉफ्ट, माई टेडी इज सॉफ्ट. तो हमने ये सॉफ्ट यूज करके एक सेंटेंस बनाया. ठीक है, वैसे ही स्टिक यूज करके आपको एक सेंटेंस बनाना है. और नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस आपको लेफ्ट वर्ड यूज करके बनाना है. थर्ड सेंटेंस आपको हैंड ये वर्ड यूज करके बनाना है. ठीक है. रिया, व्हाट हैपेंड बेटा? यू आर नॉट मेकिंग सेंटेंसेस. थिंक एंड राइट.
दीदी एल से लिफ्ट भी होती है ना?
क्या? यस, व्हाट?
दीदी एल से लिफ्ट भी होती ना, LIFT.
हाँ, बट अभी आपको ना लेफ्ट के साथ सेंटेंस बनाना है. ठीक है, लिफ्ट के साथ नहीं. यू आर राइट, LIFT लिफ्ट भी होती है, बट अभी आपको ये वर्ड्स के साथ सेंटेंस बनाना है।
दीदी हमको तो नहीं आ रहा है।
थिंक बेटा थिंक, हम स्टिक मतलब लकड़ी, तो हम लकड़ी का यूज करके, स्टिक का यूज करके क्या सेंटेंस बना सकते हैं? जस्ट थिंक। स्टिक के बारे में सोचो, लकड़ी के बारे में सोचो कि कैसी होती है, क्या होती है, उससे हम कैसे सेंटेंस बना सकते हैं। ठीक है। लेफ्ट, लेफ्ट क्या होता है? लेफ्ट मतलब लेफ्ट का यूज करके, ये वर्ड यूज करके हम क्या बना सकते हैं? देन थर्ड हैंड है, हैंड से हम क्या बना सकते हैं सेंटेंस?
दीदी क्या ड्राइंग बनाना है?
नो नो नो, यू हैव टू मेक सेंटेंस बेटा, सी द क्वेश्चन, मेक सेंटेंस, आपको वाक्य बनाने। ठीक है।
दीदी नहीं पता कैसे बनाने का सेंटेंस।
ओके, आई विल टेल यू द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस एंड देन यू विल मेक अदर सेंटेंस, ये आप नहीं बनाओगे। ठीक है। द स्टिक is very long. The stick is very long. ये हमने एक सेंटेंस बनाया। ठीक है।
दीदी दीदी
If you are done, you will type on the chat box.
दीदी
Yes. So the stick is very long. ये यूज करके हमने एक सेंटेंस बनाया। ठीक है। तो अभी लेफ्ट यूज करके एक सेंटेंस बनाइए। यू विल मेक अदर सेंटेंस। चेतना, ये सेंटेंस रिपीट नहीं करोगे आप। देन लेफ्ट से क्या बन सकता है? लेफ्ट, लेफ्ट क्या होता है? I write with my लेफ्ट हैंड। ठीक है, ये एक सेंटेंस हो सकता है। देन हैंड से हम क्या बना सकते हैं? माय हैंड इज पेनिंग। If you are done, Faisal, I think you are done. You can share your answers in the chat box and we'll read it. Okay. Anjali Di, can you read the answers if they are done? If they are typing on the chat box? Anjali Didi?
दीदी डन।
Okay, that's great.
दीदी डन।
हाँ, done na? If it is done, then you will keep your answers with you and share on the chat box. Share on the chat box. Use chat box, children. Anjali Didi, can you just read their answers if they have typed in the chat box?
Yes, Didi. I'll do it.
Thank you.
I need to read the answer, na?
Yes.
Yeah, sure. So Faisal has written, I have a big stick.
That's great. Okay, next.
Faisal has even used left word and written, I am left meeting. I have left meeting. Faisal, it will come as I have left meeting. Then Faisal has even written, I have two hands.
That's great. Wait, beta. That's great. Yes.
That no one else has written, only Faisal has written the sentences.
Okay, okay. No problem. Others, keep on writing. You can share with your Didi. We'll just move on to the next question, which is a sort of interesting for you. Okay. And I'll give you time. You can submit your work afterwards. Okay. So can you see? There are 3 pictures. Okay. Anjali Didi, can you see the pictures?
Yes, Didi.
Okay, great. Thank you. So yes. So now what you have to do, looking at the picture, you have to identify that this picture is a character or a setting. Okay. So for that, I'll start tagging you. So Sarthak, can you tell me which is the first picture? First picture क्या है? Yes, Sarthak.
Teacher, baby.
Daksh, you will not talk in between, beta. Daksh, mute yourself. Only Sarthak will say. Daksh, beta, mute yourself. Okay? Yes, Sarthak.
First picture is baby in the
Baby है ना first picture. Sarthak, can you tell me that this baby is a character or a setting? Yes. Unmute yourself and say.
baby.
हाँ, baby एक character है या setting है?
Character.
Great. Now second is school. तो school character है या setting है?
Character.
School
Setting.
character है. Meera, can you correct it? School क्या है बेटा? Character है या setting है?
Setting.
Setting. Yes. Setting. Very nice. Third picture is something dangerous. Anus, can you tell us? Dinosaur. Yes. Anus, can you tell us that third picture is a character or a setting, beta?
Character.
Yes, very good. Character. Yes. So here we are done with our revision part today. So what we have learned today, we have learned like plural forms, then sight words, making sentences from it, character and setting, right? Clear? So whatever we have did in the class, you will submit the work to your Didi. Okay? Take your time and submit the work. And if you're facing any problem, you can just let us know.